Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Glassmanor local and long-distance movers near me. Residents of Glassmanor embarking on long-distance moves can trust our services for a smooth transition. We specialize in providing a range of packing options, from DIY packing supplies to full-service packing. Our experienced team ensures careful and secure transport of your belongings, offering peace of mind throughout the moving process. Glassmanor's charm is matched by our experienced moving services. We specialize in handling fragile and valuable items, efficient residential moves, office relocation services, custom moving plans for unique needs, and secure packing and transportation. Let us make your move in Fairland as breezy and pleasant as the town. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Glassmanor moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.